So in this video, I'm going to go from this to this. I received this Craftsman 6 and 1/8 inch jointer planer from a friend of mine, free. So my price in is very cheap. He had mentioned that he thought it needed a belt when I got it from him, and I discovered it needed a little bit more than a belt. So we're gonna take a look at what it's gonna take to replace the belt, and in this case, a pulley or sheave. Of course, before we get started, unplug it. All right, to get to the belt and pulley assembly, first I'm going to remove this knob for the fence. This gets raised up. And then remove these two bolts down here. I have a feeling these are not the original bolts on this one. This one is a 7/16. Remove those two bolts. Take the cover off. And next is going to be the pulley. This one has lost the set screw and the key for it. And there's the old one. Kind of missing some stuff there, huh? Now to take the belt off, it's pretty simple on this one. It just cover just pops off. And there's the other pulley. So here's the new belt that I purchased. There will be a link to it down in the description. And I'll link down in the description to the pulley as well. There's the belt that I have. Here's the pulley that I use for my Craftsman 6 and 1/8 joiner. Okay, before you start putting it on, make sure that the set screw is loose. Okay, so I want to take this guard completely off, just two flathead screws right here, mainly just so you guys can see it a little better. And got the key in now, it's just sitting there. Slide the new pulley on. A little bit of persuasion. There we go, it's good and centered up. Make sure it's plenty tight, not so tight that you crack it, but plenty tight. Okay. It's probably gonna go beyond tight. Try to get the motor parallel along with the belt being tight. Cover snapped on. It's tempting to run it without the covers to make sure everything's okay, but Not the best idea in the world. Wow, you can even see where when it came off, it kind of rubbed up against there. Don't forget the washers to go back underneath that. Of course, reel on your fence is needed before actually making a cut. There we go. Sounds much better and definitely cuts a lot better. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel. Maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching. And the key just shot out of it.